Hi, I'm Dr. Bloom, and today I'm going to be talking to you about why the alignment of your spine and the joints in your body is so important to your health and your immune system. So the brain and the spinal cord and all the nerves that go to every muscle and organ in your body is the nervous system. And when we have imbalances in the body, like for instance, when you're really strong on your dominant side, really weak on the other, or say you always sit one way in the car or during your work, that creates an imbalance in the body. And the brain power will actually be a little stronger going to that side than the other. Over time, that can create lots of different types of weakness within the body, and then these weaknesses slowly progress to accelerated degeneration in the body. So what chiropractic care and massage therapy does for you is it helps first identify those imbalances and those alignment issues long before they start creating degenerative problems in the body. Then we're able to correct those alignment issues through gentle low force adjusting. We're able to help figure out your tight areas, your weak areas, and give you stretches and exercises to address those. And then the massage therapy is so crucial for helping release some of that stored tension and the adhesions and the fascia and the tissues of the body so you can move better and feel better.